Welcome to Herbal for Health. In today's video, we will see different products of Herbalife and their uses. Herbalife Formula 1 Nutritional Shake Mix. This is the most popular and advanced product of Herbalife. This product comes with the power of natural herbs, minerals and vitamins. Formula 1 contains many essential nutrients, micronutrients, multivitamins, minerals, fiber and calcium that you get from your daily food. Formula 1 Shake fulfills your requirement of daily energy. Formula 1 Shake is available in 6 exciting flavors. You can choose any one according to your taste. Herbalife Personalized Protein Powder. As the name suggests, personalized protein powder, it works on everyone's body according to their needs. It is the combination of whey protein and soya protein. Whey protein works to build your muscles and soya proteins helps in the recovery of muscles. When you take personalized protein powder with Formula 1, you won't feel hungry for long hours. It is the best product for hunger and weight management. A fresh energy drink. With a fresh energy drink, you can convert your tiredness into energy. Apart from being an energy drink, it also cleanses your body and detoxifies it. It easily removes stored fats and bad elements from your body. It is a healthy way to get rid of tea and coffee. You will never feel tired after drinking a fresh. A fresh energy drink helps in losing weight also. It comes with 6 exciting flavors. Herbal Control. This product helps to increase your metabolism and energy level. When metabolic rate increases, whatever you eat, it digests properly and fat won't be stored in your body. Overall, Herbal Control helps you in weight loss by increasing your metabolic rate. Cellulose Tablet. Cellulose tablet easily removes stored fluid from your body. Some people look fat though their body weight is normal. The reason for this is restored fluid in the body. Cellulose naturally removes body fluid from our body. As a result, body gets into proper shape. After weight loss, our skin becomes a bit lousy. With cellulose tablet, you can easily tighten your loose skin. Herbalife Cell Activator. This is a very useful and popular product of Herbalife. The Cell Activator is a nutritional support formula. It works on every cell of your body. It regenerates dead cells and forms new cells also. Some people look old at their young age because their skin cells are dead and dull. The Cell Activator makes the skin feel fresh and energetic, which turns your dull skin to glow naturally and you look young. If you want to look young for a long time, then you should definitely use Herbalife Cell Activator. This is the best inner nutrition for your body. Active Fiber Complex. Active Fiber Complex comes in powder form. It helps to keep our digestive system well and fine. You have to drink this with Formula 1 Shake. As Active Fiber Complex is tasteless, it will not change the taste of Formula 1. Moreover, the thickness of Formula 1 Shake becomes good. Active Fiber Complex is for those who can't digest their foods properly. Even after eating nutritional food, whose body won't get any nutrition, Active Fiber Complex digests our food properly and reaches its nutrients to the body. This product also helps in weight loss and weight gain. If you want, you can use this product in tablet form instead of powder form. Activated Fiber Tablet comes in tablet form, but both work the same. Herbalife Dino Shake. Herbalife Dino Shake is a complete health drink for your children. It is enriched with calcium, protein and antioxidants benefits. This is must for those children who fall sick frequently and who are not growing well. It is better than other health drinks found in the market. You can see the difference yourself. Dino Shake helps in better immune system, better health and digestive system. Dino Shake is so tasty that children loves to drink. Dino Shake is available in strawberry and chocolate flavors. Herbalife Calcium Tablet. Herbalife Calcium Tablet contains magnesium and vitamin D. This product will not affect your kidney. Other calcium tablets that are available in the market have some side effect. But with Herbalife, there is no such problem. This relieves your joint problem like pain. If you have knee pain, difficulty in bending knee, then you must try this product. You will get relief from all these problems. Herbal Lifeline. It contains omega-3 fatty acids and EPA-DHA. Omega-3 is essential for your heart and mind. Doctors specially suggest omega-3 for pregnant lady and children. If you want to see your upcoming child healthy and smart, then you should definitely give Herbal Lifeline to your pregnant wife. People with heart problems must use it. Herbal Lifeline keeps heartbeat normal and keeps blood thin. It is also beneficial for your brain and eye. Herbalife Nightworks. L-arginine present in Nightworks helps to clean the veins that supplies blood to our heart. If veins don't work properly, then the heart pump and oxygen in the blood cannot be supplied properly. Nightworks removes all these problems. Nightworks is beneficial for those who have heart and sleeping problem. They must use it. Herbalife 24 Hydrate. This product is specially designed for sportsmen and heavy workout people. Because their schedule is very heavy and goes on all day long, electrolyte presence in 24 Hydrate keeps sportsmen hydrated throughout the day. After heavy workout, it provides instant energy to their body. With 24 Hydrate, their muscles don't get breakdown. It recovers your power quickly. By using 24 Hydrate, you become more active and do more workouts than before. It never lets you feel tired. It maintains water level in body. You can take this before and during the workout. Sportsmen around the world and Virat Kohli also use it. If you are a sportsman, then 24 Hydrate is must for you. Herbalife 24 Rebuild Strength. This protein supplement is for those who want to lose fat as well as wants a muscular body. While doing heavy workouts, our body muscles get damaged or break down. According to fitness experts, post-workout we should take protein and carbohydrate. It helps in well performance, recovery of muscles and their proper growth. 24 Rebuild Strength fulfills all these needs. This is very beneficial for sportsmen and heavy workout people. Per serving of 24 Rebuild gives 190 calories and 24 grams of protein. Herbal Aloe Concentrate Mix. We are well aware with benefits of aloe vera. It is very cool in nature and very good for our skin. Apart from this, it has many more advantages. If you want to get natural benefits of aloe vera, then you must use Herbalife Aloe Concentrate Mix. It is very easy to use. Take 1 cup of aloe vera with water. It will make your skin fresh and digestive system better. If you use it regularly, your gas problem, indigestion, stomach heat, and the problem of boils and pimples will also disappear. Herbalife Aloe Plus. This product comes in capsule form with benefits of natural aloe vera. Like Aloe Concentrate Mix, Aloe Plus eliminates the problem of gas, stomach heat, boils and pimples. They are different in form only, but their work is same. Multivitamin, mineral and herbal tablet. We also call this Formula 2. In our daily life, the amount of energy, nutrients, vitamins and minerals that we need is present in multivitamin. It is beneficial for both who do workouts or not. People with busy schedule who are unable to take proper care of their diet, this is best product for them. If you take this regularly, you will never feel weak and tired. You will feel energetic throughout the day. It has 90 tablets, which you can take 2 to 3 times a day as per your need. Herbalife Joint Support. Glucosamine found in joint support, which is necessary for joints and for its comfort. Sometimes the grease of our joints ends, which causes joint pain and the kind of sound comes from them. The joint support helps in greasing to our joints again. Joint support not only reduces joint pain, but it also fulfills calcium needs. Herbalife Beta Heart. This product mainly controls the cholesterol level in your body. If the cholesterol level in the body increases, then you have to suffer with heart-related problems. In our daily life, we won't get balanced diet and we don't do physical activities. Herbalife Beta Heart comes in sachet form. One serving of this contains 3 grams of beta-glucan, which is soluble dietary fiber in the body. It maintains your blood cholesterol level. Those who have high cholesterol and heart-related problems must use it. You can take this with water and Formula 1 shake. Make your lifestyle healthy and fit with Herbalife Beta Heart. Simply Probiotic. This is a wonderful product of Herbalife because it helps in good bacterial growth in our body. There is 1 billion good bacteria in its small sachet. Good and bad bacteria already live in our body. To be healthy forever, there must be 85% good bacteria in our body. But due to unhealthy lifestyle and unhealthy food, the bad bacteria starts growing in our body, which makes our body weak and we feel sick. Simply Probiotic improves the immune system by entering the patented Gendin BC30 or good bacteria in our body. With this, nutrients of food that you eat reaches to your body properly. You can take Simply Probiotic with shake, lukewarm water or tea. This is an easy to carry product. Skin Booster. Most of our body is made up of skin. The quality and the elasticity of the skin depends on the collagen. But because of harsh environment and unhealthy food habits, our body doesn't produce collagen, which makes our skin look dead and dull. Due to its deficiency, wrinkles appear and skin starts to become dry and lifeless. Skin Booster is available in sachet form. One serving of it contains 5 grams hydrolyzed fish collagen, vitamin C, B2, B6, B3, collagen, vitamin B and C. Skin Booster naturally boosts your skin, makes your skin look fresh, energetic, glowing and healthy. You can take this with shake or water. This is easy to carry. You can use it anytime. So this was the complete information of all the essential product of Herbalife. To order any product according to your need, just call at the numbers